Welcome to the official audio-video overview for the proposed initial public offering of equity shares (IPO) of Neilsoft Limited. We are a technology-driven, pure-play engineering services and solutions company operating in the engineering research and development (ER&D) industry, catering to the architecture, engineering and construction (AEC), manufacturing and industrial plant segments. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, outside India, including the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Neilsoft Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the IPO on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer documents and the price band advertisement in relation to the offer for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated May 26, 2025. Neilsoft Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 900 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 8 million equity shares of face value 5 rupees each by the selling shareholders. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder, promoter group selling shareholders, and other selling shareholders in the offer. The proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Neilsoft Limited was incorporated on June 24, 1991 at Pune, Maharashtra, India. We have over 20 years of experience in providing engineering services and engineering solutions. Our offerings address the digitalization, digitization and automation needs of our customers in AEC, manufacturing and industrial plant segments. We provide the following engineering services: AEC, customized design services, architectural, civil structural and MEPF, mechanical, electrical, plumbing and fire protection disciplines, and BIM, building information modeling services for buildings, plants and factories and infrastructure projects. Industrial plants, industrial plant design and digitization, manufacturing, industrial equipment, production line design, including programmable logic control, PLC programming. Further, across the aforementioned three segments, we provide engineering process outsourcing, EPO services, and customized engineering software applications and solutions for digital transformation. Engineering solutions. In our focus segments, that is AEC, manufacturing and industrial plant segments, we have proprietary solutions, viz. Cadison, a planning and design system for industrial plant engineering, E&I Electrical Designer, an electrical design system for the electrical components across our focus segments. During the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 and fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022, we have worked with customers primarily across America, Europe, Asia Pacific excluding India and India. We work with marquee customers across the AEC, manufacturing and industrial plant segments such as NVBJ Architecture PLLC, Praj Industries Limited, Fujita Corporation, Hilti AG, Kuttner and Martin GmbH, Incotech SRL and Sigmetrix LLC. We service our global customers through our delivery centers located in Pune, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bad Soden and Tokyo. Our research and development and product development teams are housed in our offices in Pune, Maharashtra and Bad Soden, Germany, and as on February 28, 2025, comprised 51 persons with expertise in digital and emerging technologies relevant to our focus segments. Our R&D team focuses on continually evaluating emerging technologies such as AI/ML, AI and ML, interoperability, Internet of Things, IoT, computer vision and scan to model, to develop innovative and cost-effective engineering solutions and augment our value-added services while simultaneously improving our operational efficiency. As per FNS report, Neilsoft is one of the few players that has notable contribution, 7.6% of overall revenue and 27.61% of engineering solutions revenue as on end of Q3 FY25 December 24 to its revenue from own proprietary solution offerings in the ER&D space focused on AEC, manufacturing and plant industries. We have been actively operating in the AEC and BIM services space since early 2000s and according to the FNS report are an established player in this space from India with several marquee global clients. Our focus on developing technology-driven solution offerings across the design, build, operate phases differentiates us from several other BIM players. Furthermore, according to the FNS report, we are one of the most scaled AEC and BIM service players in India. The FNS report has been commissioned by our company and is paid for by our company exclusively in connection with the offer. And any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. As per FNS report, in the manufacturing space, we believe that we are well positioned to benefit from the increasing need for automation and adoption of Industry 4.0 related technologies and significant demand for new factories due to China Plus One and Make in India initiatives. Our proprietary solution for plant design and BIM, Cadison, allows us to differentiate ourselves from the competitors by offering customized services and solutions to our clients. Accordingly, in the plant engineering space, we believe that we are well positioned to benefit from the growing plant digitization opportunity and addressing plant engineering projects needs driven by sustainability and green tech investments by companies in the hydrogen, biofuels, geothermal, clean energy, decarbonization, recycling space. We will continue to invest in our R&D efforts and over the next 24 months intend to develop new platform solutions for a vision and IoT-based quality inspection system for Indian manufacturers and a collaboration, workflows and visualization platform for the construction stage of projects and an energy and environment management system. Investors should note the following important risks. We have generated 45.56%, 39.94%, 37.98% and 41.80% revenues from our top 20 customers in the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 and in fiscals 2024, 2023 and 2022 respectively, and the loss of such customers or a reduction in our revenue from such customers will have a material adverse impact on our business. Further, our success depends on our long-term relationship with our customers. Loss of one or more of our customers or reduction in their demand for our offerings could adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial conditions. Our source of revenue is concentrated to certain geographical locations. Our revenue from customers located outside India, based on the location of our customers with whom we had a subsisting master service agreement, project contract, purchase orders, constituted 74.56%, 77.97%, 76.67% and 73.77% of our revenue from operations in the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 and in fiscals 2024, 2023 and 2022 respectively. Our inability to operate and grow our business in such countries may have an adverse effect on our business, financial condition, result of operation, cash flow, and future business prospects. We have derived 69.28%, 71.70%, 72.40%, and 68.26% of our engineering services revenues in the 9 months ended December 31, 2024 and in fiscals 2024, 2023 and 2022 respectively from select industry segments and in particular the architecture, engineering and construction AEC industry. An economic slowdown or factors affecting this sector may have an adverse effect on our business, financial condition and results of operations. Our pricing structures and scope of offerings may not accurately anticipate the cost and complexity of performing our work, and if we are unable to manage costs successfully, certain of our contracts could become unprofitable. One of our offerings within our engineering services segment is Building Information Modeling (BIM). Our percentage of engineering services revenue from AEC and BIM was 69.28%, 71.70%, 72.40%, and 68.26% during the 9 months ended December 31, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023, and fiscal 2022 respectively. There are country or state-specific BIM norms which must be adhered to when undertaking a BIM project. Any substantial change in these norms could impact our ability to deliver BIM projects and hence negatively impact our revenues. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 39 of the DRHP. Neilsoft Limited is promoted by Ketan Champaklal Bakshi, Rupa Harish Shah jointly with Harish Kumar Shah and Daksha Bakshi, who hold 41.71% of the pre-offer equity share capital of the company on a fully diluted basis. 70.91% of the pre-offer equity share capital on a fully diluted basis of the company is held by the promoters, promoter group and selling shareholders. The selling shareholders are selling up to 8 million equity shares, bearing face value 5 rupees each as part of the offer for sale. Please refer to page 348 of the DRHP for details of promoter and promoter group of our company. 45.51% pre-offer equity share capital of the company is held by public shareholders. Our board comprises of 9 directors, of whom 2 are executive directors, 2 are non-executive directors, and 5 are independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. Our revenue from operations stood at approximately 3,258.53 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 21.87% in FY24. The company registered a PAT of approximately 578.54 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 17.18% in FY24. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning 354, for further information on financials and related information. There are certain outstanding legal proceedings involving our company, promoters, directors and subsidiaries, which, if determined against us, could have a material adverse effect on our business, cash flows, financial condition and results of operations. For further details of such outstanding legal proceedings, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 461 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from fresh issue towards funding capital expenditure requirements and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, not more than 15% of the offer to non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% of the offer to retail individual investors. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on the BSE and NSE. Equirus Capital Private Limited and IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, are the book running lead managers. Please see page 482 of the DRHP for price information of past issues handled by the book running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated May 26, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters or selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely on the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.